Students, hi students, how are you? Are you fine? I hope everyone is fine. Did you study previous day's portion? Did you learn ma? Everyone learn geography lesson? So that continuation, okay? So everyone should study, get a good mark, okay ma? So today spurs, I plan to teach spurs of the earth, okay? Spurs of the earth. So you know this is the model of the earth, isn't it? Globe is the model of the earth. In this earth, they have the spurs. So the earth is the most suitable planet to support life. So we are living in this planet. It is in this planet only human beings. The life is possible to live in this planet, isn't it, students? In this planet, most suitable planet to support life. It has three major components. Okay, how many major components will be the three major components it is that we call as the realms of the earth. So that three components are called what? Realms of the earth. Okay, realms of the earth. So lithosphere. Okay, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So these are the three components. Along with suitable climate make life possible on earth. So all living things exist in a narrow zone called biosphere. Okay, this together is called what? A biosphere. Earth. We can live in this planet. Life is possible. Okay, so that is what ma? Biosphere. So now let us have a close look at each of the spheres. Okay. So what and all ma? Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Okay. Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. These three components together what? A biosphere. Okay. Living things exist in a narrow zone is called what? Biosphere. Okay. So lithosphere. So the word litho is derived from the Greek word. Okay. So the word litho is derived from the Greek word. Okay ma. So lithos means rocky. Okay. Lithos means what ma? Rocky. So the lithosphere is the land on which we live. It is the solid outer layer of the earth consisting of rocks and soil. Okay. So lithosphere means rocky area, rock. Okay. So it is the Greek word. Then the atmosphere, so this lithosphere is the land on which we live. Okay, so lithosphere means what ma? Land area. That's all. Okay, lithosphere means what? The land area. Okay ma. Then hydrosphere. Hydro means water. Okay, so this one also it's a Greek word. So hydrosphere consists of water bodies such as oceans, seas, river, lakes, ice caps on mountains and water vapor in the atmosphere. Okay students, in the atmosphere what? The hydrosphere means water. That's all. Okay, sea, oceans, lakes, rivers, ice caps, okay, on mountains and water vapor in the atmosphere. So this is under hydrosphere. Then atmosphere is the air. Okay, atmosphere means what ma? Air. So this one also Greek word. Atmosphere is the the envelope of air that surrounds the earth. Different types of gases make up the atmosphere. So the major gases are nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%. The other gases like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, argon and ozone are present in major amounts. Okay students, so nothing students, lithosphere means land area. Okay, hydrosphere water. Okay, atmosphere air. Okay, it's filled with many gases. Okay, so this and all it's covered. Oxygen 21%, nitrogen 78%. Okay, then other gases also like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, argon and ozone. Okay ma. Then biosphere, the narrow belt of interactions among the lithosphere, the hydrosphere and the atmosphere where life existing as biosphere. So bio means life. Okay ma. Bio means what? Life. In Greek word, it consists of distinct zones. Each zone has its own climate, plant, animals, animal life. Okay, these zones are known as ecosystem. Okay, so ecosystem means what? Living beings are exist in this planet. Animals will be there. Okay, more planets, suitable climate, different climates. Okay, so this along with the biosphere. Could you understand? Could you understand? Could you understand, ma? Spheres of the earth. Lithosphere means land. Okay. Hydrosphere, water. Atmosphere, air. Okay, ma. Biosphere, human beings are living in this planet. It is suitable to live in this planet. These three components together, biosphere. Okay, ma. Clear, children? Clear? So, litho means what, ma? Rocky. Litho means what, da? Rocky. Hydro means water. Hydro means water. Atmo means what, ma? Air. Atmo means air. Okay, clear? Bio means life. Okay, bio means life. Could you understand? Could you understand, ma? This is the spheres of the earth. Okay, so then some important, do you know, some exercises will be there. The Gulf of Myanmar biosphere reserve in the Indian Ocean covers an area of 10, some info bits will be there. So just read it, okay? Then perihelion, everyone knows, isn't it? Perihelion is the earth closest position to the sun. Perihelion is the farthest planet of the earth from the sun. Okay, it is the closest position to the sun. Earth closest position to the sun. That's all. Okay, perihelion. That is called perihelion. Okay, ma? Could you understand? Could you understand? So galaxy means what? The cluster of stars. Galaxy means what, ma? The cluster of stars. Okay. Then asteroids means irregular shaped rocks between Mars and Jupiter. Okay. Asteroids means what? Irregular shaped. Or irregular shaped means what? Not correct shape. Okay. The shape is different. Okay. Irregular shape rocks between this Mars and Jupiter. Okay. This Mars and Jupiter, in between this asteroids will be there. Then meteoroids, space particles left behind by comets as comets or asteroids it is. Then comets, frozen lumps of rocks, dust and gas. Okay, clear, children? Then orbit means, you know, orbit means what, ma? It is the path in which the planets move around the sun. Okay, orbit means it is one of the pathway. Okay, so in the planets will move around the sun. Planets will move around the sun. That is orbit. Okay, then the rotation, spinning movement of the planets on their axis. Okay, spinning movement, rotation means. Revolution, the movement of the planets around the sun in their orbits. Okay, around the sun, rotations. Clear, children? Clear? No doubt, no? So I have completed this lesson. Book exercises. Have you all completed book exercises? I thought everyone has completed. Isn't it? In previous week I've sent the notes, isn't it? Everyone copied, I think. So anyway, exercises. Turn page number 178, everyone. So the universe was formed after dash explosion. Big Bang explosion. The universe was formed after dash explosion. Big Bang explosion. Okay, ma? Big Bang explosion. The universe was formed after Big Bang explosion. Okay, dash is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. Light year. Okay, ma? Light year is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. Okay, light year is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. Third one, dash is the center of the solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. Dash is the center of the solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. The word planet means wanderer. Okay, the word planet means what, ma? Wanderer. Dash planet has many natural satellites. Jupiter. Dash planet has many natural satellites. Jupiter. Then India's first ever mission to the moon in Chandrayaan. Okay. India's first ever mission to the moon is Chandrayaan. Then Earth is inclined by 23.5 degrees. Okay. The Earth is inclined by 23.5 degrees. Then the equator faces the sun directly on 21st March and 23rd September. Okay, the equator faces the sun directly on 21st March and 23rd September. At the time of perihelion, the earth is dash to the sun, closest to the sun. At the time of perihelion, the earth is dash to the sun, closest to the sun. The line which divides day and night on the earth's surface is terminator line. Okay, the line which divides day and night on the earth's surface is terminator line. Then choose the best answer. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. Rotation. C is the correct answer. Then second one, the Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on December 22. D is the correct answer. Okay. The Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on December 22nd. The galaxy in which our solar system is found is Milky Way. Okay, ma? Milky Way. C is the correct answer. The galaxy in which our solar system is found is Milky Way. C is the correct answer. Then number 4, the only celestial body where man has successfully landed. D. Moon is the correct answer. The only celestial body where man has successfully landed. Moon is the correct answer. Okay, ma? Then fifth one, which of the following planets can float on water? Which of the planet can float on water? Saturn. C. B. B is the correct answer. Okay. B is the correct answer. Then circle the odd one out. Venus, Jupiter, Neptune, Saturn. Venus. You circle Venus. Okay. Then second one, Cirrus, Andromeda, Milky Way, Magellanic Clouds. Cirrus is the, you circle Cirrus. Then Pluto, Eris, Ceres, Io, circle Io. Okay, ma? Then comet, asteroids, meteoroids, dwarf planets, circle dwarf planet. Rover, orbiter, aeroplane, space, shuttle, aeroplane. Okay, circle aeroplane. Okay, ma? Then D, match the following. Hottest planet, Venus. Hottest planet, Venus is the correct answer. Ringed planet, Saturn. Okay, ringed planet, Saturn is the correct answer. Okay, ma? Red planet, Mars is the correct answer. Somersaulting planet, Uranus. Coldest planet, Neptune. Okay, so have you all marked? So, hottest planet, Venus is the correct answer. Ringed planet, Saturn is the correct answer. Red planet, Mars. Somersaulting planet, Uranus. Coldest planet, Neptune. Clear, ma? Then consider the following statement. So, it is given. First one, Venus rotates from east to west. The Tropic of Cancer faces the sun on June 21st. Mars has rings around it. Choose the correct answer using the quotes given below. So, A is the correct answer. 1 and 2. A is the correct answer. 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Then second, consider the following statement. Statement 1. Earth is called a watery planet. Second statement. The rotation of the earth causes seasons. Okay. So, option A is the correct answer. 1 is true. Second is wrong. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Both the statement, A is the correct answer. Okay, ma? Then name the following cluster of stars, galaxy. Cluster of stars, galaxy. The the nearest galaxy to the solar system, Andromeda. Okay, the nearest galaxy to the solar system, Andromeda. The brightest planet, Venus is the correct answer. Then the living sphere, biosphere. The year which has 366 days, leap year. Okay, 366 days is a leap year. Could you understand, ma? So I sent the answers, isn't it, in previous week, isn't it, pa? Have you all copied? Have you all copied? You have to copy in the particular page. Okay. So, okay, if you have any doubt, ask to me, students. Mistakenly, you don't write it in your book. Okay. So, in your book, you should write it correctly. Okay, ma? Okay, clear, students? So, once again, I am going to revise this. Fill in the blanks. The universe was formed after dash explosion. Big Bang explosion. Okay, the universe was formed after dash explosion. Big Bang explosion. Dash is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. light year. Okay, light year. Dash is the center of the solar system, the sun. The word planet means wanderer. The word planet means what, ma? Wanderer. Dash planet has many natural satellites, Jupiter. Dash planet has many natural satellites, Jupiter. India's first ever mission to the moon is Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan, okay. So Earth is inclined by 23.5 degrees. The equator faces the sun directly on 21st March and 23rd September. At this time of perihelion, the Earth is dashed to the sun, closest to the sun. The line which divides day and night on the Earth's surface is terminator line. Okay, ma, choose the best answer. The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation. The Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on December 22nd. The galaxy in which our solar system is found is Milky Way. The only celestial body where man has successfully landed moon. Which of the following planets can float on water? Certain. Circle the odd one out. Venus, Jupiter, Neptune, certain. Which one I had to circle? Venus, okay? Venus, you circle it. Sirius, Andromeda, Milky Way, Magellanic Clouds. Sirius, okay ma? Third one, Pluto, Eris, Ceres, Io. Io is the correct answer. Then comet, asteroids, meteoroids, dwarf planet. Fourth one, dwarf planet. You should circle it. Then rover, orbiter, aeroplane, space shuttle. Aeroplane. Okay, match the following hottest planets. Venus. Ringed planet, Saturn. Red planet, Mars. Somersaulting planet, Uranus. Coldest planet, Neptune. Okay, ma, then consider the following statement also. First one, A. Option is correct. Okay, second consider the following statement. A is the correct answer. Then name the following cluster of stars, galaxy. Cluster of stars, galaxy. The nearest galaxy to the solar system, Andromeda. Okay, Andromeda. Then the brightest planet, Venus. The living sphere, biosphere. The year which has 366 days, leap year. Okay, ma? So everyone marked? Then I send the question answer in brief. Give reason also. Everyone copied I think in your booklet, isn't it, pa? So you should copy it and learn these questions and learn this one words also. This is the study portion. In previous week also I have given this same portion only. So study thorough in this lesson. Okay, ma? So next month they will conduct the test, isn't it? And in that time everyone should get a good mark. Okay, will you do students? You should study. Okay, don't waste the time. Whenever you get time, okay, so you all are the time, studying time. In that particular time, what you have to do? You have to learn the particular portions. Okay, okay da? Okay ma? So get a good mark students. Thank you students.